Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Ethernet No Internet Access Windows 11. To start, in the search box, enter View. Open View Network Connections. There, select the Ethernet connection. Click on the option Disable this network device. After a moment, click on Enable this network device. Wait for the adapter to be enabled. Here, you will go to the line Internet Protocol version 4, click on Properties. You will check that everything is in automatic mode, the IP address and the DNS server. Apply the changes. If you prefer, again in Internet Protocol version 4, click on Properties. Check the box, use the following DNS server addresses and then add some public IP address for use. Click on OK and close the windows. If the fault persists, open Settings from Start. In the section Network and Internet, you will click on Advanced Network Settings. After this, click on Network Reset. Click on Reset Now. You will confirm this action by clicking Yes, and then you can close the information window. To complete the process, restart the system. With these steps, you will be able to fix the error of Ethernet without internet access. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.